Well, we thank you for coming. It's become pressing that we address this emergency press conference here from the premises of the High Court complex because of a scandal that just happened in the case of Honorable Atoforsen, public and other accused persons. As you may be aware, our minority leader, Member of Parliament for Ejumaku Enyame, the Honorable Dr. Atoforsen, served as Deputy Minister under the ex-Wal NDC Mahama government, is standing prosecution for his role in the procurement of some ambulances by the then government. We've always maintained, as far as this matter is concerned, that we don't believe that the Akufo-Addo Bawumia MPP government is up to ensure that justice is done in this matter, and that this is a clear case of persecution and not prosecution. And we have times without numbers explained why we think that Honorable Atoforsen is innocent and that this whole case is needless. Now the matter has been before the courts. Various witnesses have been called. The minority leader himself has opened his case and closed his case. Currently, the third accused is being cross-examined by lawyers for the minority leader, who is the first accused. And today, cross-examination was done by our own Director Legal, Eduji Kamako. So we're all in court to monitor the proceedings. But we were shocked to the marrow when the third accused, under cross-examination, disclosed to the courts that the Honorable Attorney General has been reaching out to him, calling him over the phone, that he has met with him in person, and that the Attorney General has been asking him to give false testimony to the courts and skew his testimony in such a way that corroborates the case of the Attorney General against the first accused, so that the first accused can be convicted and jailed. He said this in open court and asked that it should be put on record. And her leadership also directed that same should be captured by the record. And so what we are talking about is something which is on record. And we as a political party are totally scandalized and disgusted by this development. We are not surprised because we've always known that this is a stock in trade of Godfred Yeboah-Dame. This is not a man who is interested in justice or the law. This is not a man who is an Attorney General and Minister of Justice. No. This is a devious character with no honor whatsoever, no respect for justice, no respect for the rule of law, no respect for the rights of accused persons, and who always go about manipulating judicial processes to get his way at all costs. And so we are not surprised at all that today his sins have found him out. We are not surprised at all that today his cup is full. We are not surprised at all that today his day of reckoning has come. Because, you know, in a race between good and evil, evil can always take the lead, but good will always win. He's been doing this over and over again, and we have a cause to lament this to the media and the good people of this country time and again. You've been asking for evidence. Here is your evidence. Godfred Dame is not a minister of justice, but a minister for injustice. He is not interested in the rule of law, but interested in persecuting innocent people. He is interested in bending the law to have his way at all costs. And if he can go to a witness and seek to influence the witness, to quote the witness, coerce the witness to testify, okay, in a manner that will help him achieve his aim, then he is capable of talking to a judge. He is capable of talking to a registrar or any officer of the courts to have his way.
Did the judge interrogate this allegation?
Well, I'm told that immediately after the said incident happened in court, the the courts took a brief recess and met lawyers in chambers. Whatever happened there happened in strict confidence. We are not privy to that. But this is a matter of considerable public interest. We, as a political party, are interested in this matter because it involves our leader of our parliamentary caucus in Parliament. And we have served notice that we're going to stand with him every step of the way. And so if this matter has happened in open courts, we want the world to know. Nobody can censure us or cower anybody into silence. We want the world to know about what has happened involving the Attorney General and Minister of Justice.
What next for the NDC, specifically regarding these allegations? Was this something that transpired in court? I mean, what's the next step?
Well, this, like I said, is a matter of considerable public interest. We are going to amplify it, speak about it until justice is done in this matter. And nobody, let me repeat it, nobody will cower anybody into silence on this matter. What has happened in court happened in the full glare of the court. It is on record and we can comment on it. And we are commenting on it that what the Attorney General has done is unbecoming of an Attorney General, totally reprehensible and condemnable. And if they don't know, we have the evidence. And at the right time, the evidence will come out.
Finally.
Thank you.
Okay.